In today's world, data is everything. It drives business decisions, shapes public policies, and helps organizations to stay competitive. But with the explosion of data, it's becoming increasingly difficult to make sense of it all. That's where a data analyst Muhammad Farhan comes in. Hi, I'm a data analyst with expertise in SPSS, Python, and Go language. I'm here to help you make sense of your data. SPSS is one of the most widely used statistical analysis software in the world. With my expertise in SPSS, I can help you analyze your data, identify trends, and make informed decisions. Python is a powerful programming language used for data analysis, machine learning, and AI. With my expertise in Python, I can help you automate your data analysis, build predictive models, and derive insights from your data. If you're looking for a data analyst who can help you make sense of your data, then look no further. With my expertise in SPSS, Python, and Go language, I can help you unlock the insights hidden in your data and drive your business forward. Contact me today to learn how I can help you with your data analysis needs. You can contact me on my email address, kajafaran123@gmail.com. Or my WhatsApp, 923017504304302.